चैनल तरन्नुम सपोर्ट। दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे एंकरिंग फॉर रिपब्लिक डे। सो विदाउट वेस्ट अवर टाइम, लेट गेट स्टार्ट। गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पेक्टेड चीफ गेस्ट, प्रिंसिपल, हेड मिनिस्टर, टीचर्स and all my dear friends, other present in the gathering here. Today is a very auspicious day. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate the proud day for India, the Republic Day of India. Before we begin, let me give you some valuable knowledge about Republic Day. This day is celebrated on January 26 every year to give honor to longest constitution of the largest democracy in the world. This occasion marks the patriotic spirit within us and encourage us to be loyal and respectful toward our nation. This occasion not only celebrate the Constitution of India but also award the various deserving heroes of our nation with bravery awards. Apart from the germs of our nation receive Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, lamp enlightening event. I request chief guest, principal to come on stage and do the honors while enlightening event. Light is symbol of truth, knowledge and understanding. Darkness is the absence of light. The lightning ceremony also relate to life. We should seek knowledge and truth and devote ourselves from falling into the dark trap of life. I would thank the dignitaries on stage. Flag hosting event. I would like to invite the dignitaries to commemorate the flag hosting event. I request all to do a wonderful clap and salute to the flag. Cultural song performance. We would like to invite our school vocal music group, choir group, college society to entertain the audience with their wonderful performance. After performance concludes, let's have the huge round of applause for the XYZ group. They surely put whole lots of effort to entertain us. They deserve this applause. Once again, can we have applause? Cultural dance performance. We would like to invite our school dance group, choir group, college society to enthuse the audience with patriotic spirit. Let's encourage them. After cultural dance conclude, wow, I am short of words to describe how enthusiastic and energetic that performance was. It was just brilliant. This performance make me feel proud of our country even more. Cultural skit performance. Drama is an art. Drama fills our mind, purifies our mind, and make us more aware of our surrounding. Let us welcome our skit group, Drama Society, with a huge round of applause. This drama will surely make us more proud of our country and will surely develop a sense of fraternity and brotherhood amongst us. After the skit concludes, oh my God, what a skit by XYZ group. Guys, heads off. This skit has surely made us recall about our glorious past, the beauty of this country, and sacrifice of our nation heroes. This has made me hold my head higher with more pride and respect. Vande Mataram. The audience cheer out 3 times. If some sport event is also organized, we have athletes, sport person and young person line up for our crazy event. Oh my God, see how excited they are. I request all to enjoy the sport event along while I request the audience to grab their chairs and entertain themselves. If some alumni meet is also organized. People have memories when they leave a home, this place where they spent few long memorable years of their life, remain no longer just a place, but it also become a next home for them. Well, you just guys it right. They are our alumni. Let's welcome our alumni, audience cheer and applause. Concluding the event. Oh, what a day it was. Republic Day could not have been spent better. On this auspicious occasion, we all gather and enjoy our heart out. Thank you being here, and I would like our chief guest to say few words. Words of thanks to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.